back to my channel Daily India. This is Vaishnavi and I'm back with a vlog. I am in Switzerland, Zurich, and today we are here at Rhine Falls. Now we are finally going for boating in the Rhine Falls. It's gonna be awesome. The weather is very pleasant. It's a little bit cold as well as sunny. It's gonna be very much fun. Just look at the view.
And it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat.
Got ready for the night. She said for the light. She said for the.
This is exactly how someone looks after getting wet in the waterfall. I sometimes wonder how can someone be smart and stupid at the same time, because I was shivering the whole time and yet here I am asking for another ride. Then I tried Khatro Ke Khiladi and fortunately they put me off the boat. Congrats! It was indeed an amazing experience, and जो corners में बैठे थे वो तो पूरे we went so inside the waterfall that we all got wet. So now we are going on the top of the waterfall. Rhine Falls is making me work out for the whole month because here is a long pathway that we need to take to reach at the top. And look how gorgeous it looks. To capture Rhine Falls and to get the whole landscape, you actually need to do a lot of workout. After that whole long pathway, I'm finally on the staircase. It is so captivating and dazzling everywhere. I can't even tell you guys.
But when you talk to me,
Someone wisely quoted, "The harder you work, the luckier you get." And no doubt, the view I got from the top after doing all that uphill battle is just enchanting.
you know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy?
No matter how long you stand there, you will never get satisfied because again it is dazzling there. So here I am saying bye to Rhine Falls and to you all guys, and assure you to meet soon. Till that, and bye bye.